Have you ever noticed that many business owners only start looking for funding when they're already in a financial emergency? That's one of the biggest mistakes entrepreneurs make. Today, we're talking about the hidden cost of waiting to secure funding. When business is going well, most owners focus on sales, customers, and growth. Funding isn't even on their radar. But when an unexpected expense hits, a major client leaves, or cash flow slows down, they suddenly need money fast. The problem? Emergency funding often comes with fewer options and higher costs. Businesses that wait until the last minute may end up accepting expensive financing, delaying hiring, cutting marketing efforts, or missing growth opportunities altogether. The smartest business owners prepare before they need funding. They build business credit, they maintain healthy bank balances, they keep their financial documents organized, and they establish relationships with lenders and funding partners before there's a crisis. Think of funding like insurance. You don't wait until your house is on fire to buy insurance. You prepare in advance. The same principle applies to your business. Funding should be part of your growth strategy, not your emergency plan. If you're planning to grow your business in the next 6 to 12 months, now is the time to start getting funding ready. Subscribe for more business funding tips, business credit strategies, and resources to help your business grow. I'm Dennis Thompson with Cube Capital Group, and I'll see you in the next video.